In this tutorial, we will see how to create a 3D door. So we will be creating a door like this. So it will be having a handle also. Then it will have a frame outside it, and the design will look like this. So we will just start a new drawing. With default template. First we have to switch to our visual style to 3D modeling. Okay, it is already there. We will go to home. Then we will switch to Southeast isometric. So that then we will bring this icon back using UCS icon, no origin. Then first we will create a rectangle for the door size. So rectangle. So before that we will shift on right plane because we want to create a vertical door. So we will just go to view, click on this and say right. So your XY will become vertical. Then I will come back to home. Then I will select rectangle. Then give the start point, right click, give dimensions. So I want to create a 1 meter by 2 meter door. So my width will be, suppose I will be creating in mm, so I will take 1000 as a length and 2000 as a height. Give the side, double click the ruler to zoom extend. So this is the overall door size. Then I will offset this line inside by 200 mm. So I will say offset O 200. Then this line inside. Then I will explode this line so that I can offset individual lines. So I will say explode, modify, explode, select the line, enter. Then from bottom I will offset this line, bottom line at 650. So I will say offset 650, the bottom line on the upper side. Then enter, again offset, I will say offset of 50, this line on the upper side. So this is the internal layout that we have done. Then after that I will use the press pull to convert this into a 3D. So I will say press pull, I will press pull this portion by 50 mm offset. I will say 50. Then if we see in conceptual visual style how it look like. So after that internal portion is hollow, so I will press pull internal portion also. So press pull, take this internal shape and I will press pull by 25 distance. Then this plate, internal plate, that I will press pull by 50, so it will match the other sides. So I will say this by 50, and below I will again press pull by 25, so that cut I will get. So again I will say internal by 25 distance. So in this way my basic structure, okay, the direction was wrong, so I will just undo the previous press pull. So I will say press pull, select internal shape, press pull it outside on this side by 25 distance. So now this overall layout is ready, but these are the separate objects. So I will combine these objects using union command. So here is the union, and I will select all the objects, press enter. So all the objects are now union. Then I will to make it more attractive, I will just apply the fillets on these corner edges. So I will say fillet, and I will select all the corner edges. This is, then I will give radius of 25. Then this edge, this edge, then I will pan it up. I don't want this edge, just shift and click. Okay, to cancel, undo. I will try undo. Just undo there. Okay, I will just cancel and I will again give the fillet. Fillet, I want upper edge basically. This edge, then radius of 25. I want this edge, and bottom edge, this edge, this one. bottom outside, and upper top edge I want it. So I will select that upper top edge and enter. So that fillet has been formed. Okay, the internal was made to be 100 actually. Alright. So in this way this cut has been formed. So this design has been formed. So this internal was needed to be 100. So it will look more nice. So this overall door layout is ready. So after that I will create a handle. So for handle I will shift to front plane. So I will go to view and I will say front. Then I will create a polyline here. So length I will take handle, I will make F8 ortho on. Then length I want to be of 50 mm and height I want to be suppose 150 mm and again internal 50 mm, internal 50 mm, escape to come out. Then I want the fillets at the corner of that fillets we will take up 25. So we will say fillet, then right click radius of 25, then right click we want to fillet a polyline. So polyline, click on the polyline. So these fillets are applied. So we want to sweep a circle on this. So we will just say circle. We will take a radius of circle of 6.25. That is 13. It will be 13 diameter. Then we will sweep this circle on this shape. So we will click here and we will say sweep. Then we will select this circle and we will enter. Then give the enter. Then click on this path. And we have formed this handle. So you want to place it here. So we will just move it. Just say move. Select the handle. So we want to place the center of this. So we'll just catch the center of one end, center of this. Then we will put it here. Suppose from midpoint at 75 mm distance above. So we will make the ortho. We will track the midpoint and go up. And we want to go up by 75 distance. So it is not tracking. Okay. So we will take the reference of midpoint. We'll keep it there, and again we will move it upward, or we will move it inside. Again move command, select the object, then give the base point direction. So we will make the ortho on, so it will go straight. So we want to go inside by 50 distance, so just give 50. And we don't want this path, so we will just delete this path. So in this way this door is ready with the handle. And then outside frame, so for that outside frame we'll just go back to front plane, go back to right plane. Okay, so right, then come back to home, then take a polyline. So create our door size is 2000 mm by 1000. So we will create 1000, then vertical again 2000. Enter. So this is outside layout. Then we will create a rectangle for sweeping on this C. So give the first reference point, right click, dimension. So we will create a rectangle of suppose 100 by 100. So we will say here 100 by 100. Then give the side. Then just say sweep. Then select object, enter. Then right click. So we want to sweep with respect to base point. So we will say base point. So I want to sweep with respect to this endpoint. So I will just select that endpoint, then select the path. So this outside frame is created. So I will move this frame and put with respect to the door. Select the frame, select the midpoint. So I want to put this midpoint on this side. So I will just drag it. Bottom line midpoint I want to catch. So I will just make a curve. So in this midpoint I will put it. So in this way frame has been put on the around the door. So after that I want to apply the material. So I will just go to view, then here material palette. Okay, I don't want material palette, I want tool palette, so I will say tool palettes. Then I will from here tool palettes, so different materials are wood material is available, so I will take this wood plastic finish. I will drag it and drop it on this, and to view that material I will go to render. Then I will say here I want to material and structure on, so I can view that material. So I will again catch this wood and put on the frame also. So write the material. So in this way the material is applied for the door. Then for the handle I want to apply some metal. So here is the metal is there. So I will take this one and I will drop it on the handle. So in this way handle you can view in metal, some metal. So in this way we have completed modeling for the door. So thanks for joining. We will stop here.